guys, it's me, Jessica DeLeon, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys may or may not know from my last video, if you guys watched that, about me growing out my eyebrows, I finally grew them out to where I think is going to be their fullest potential. I have been wanting to shape my brows, kind of clean them up, and also wanting to tint my brows. I'm going to use some wax today and other various tools. The wax and the tint are both from a company called Brow Code, who were nice enough to send me some products right when I was needing it, because right when I got sent this stuff, I was planning on growing out my eyebrows. They reached out to me and I was like, heck yeah, I'll try your products. So this is going to be kind of a first impressions as well. They sent me this huge Brow Code Design and Define wax. Okay, I'm excited to using that. And then they also sent me this brow tint kits in natural brown. So it's got all of the stuff that you need to tint the brows in there. Step number one, guys, you're gonna want to clean your eyebrows. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this cotton pad, and I am just going to get a little bit on there. Step number two, which is going to be the wax. I'm going to go ahead and take this Brow Code Design and Define, like I showed you guys before. So it comes with 3 popsicle sticks. It's just this huge gold tub of wax. So I have melted the wax really quickly. Brush out my eyebrow. I can really see where I'm going to do this wax here. And if you want to, you could even kind of fill in your brow just to see what shape you want to wax it in, but I'm not going to do all that. I kind of just like to eye it. I'm just going to use one of these little spatulas, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it. So what you want to do is you want to apply it in the direction of the hairbrush. You're going to want to leave a little bit of extra wax at the end, just a little bit thicker than you would on the rest of the wax. So you'll have a little place that you can use to pull it up. You want to get a thin layer. You don't want to do anything thick. So I'm just going to hold my eyebrow taut. I'm just going to go lightly in this area right here. And I'm going to try my best to leave a little bit more on the end there, so that I have something to pull up with. You don't want to leave the wax on for longer than 1 minute. And just make sure you didn't get any extra hairs. Take your spoolie and kind of get off any extra if you can see anything. So now we're going to remove the wax. Just take that little corner. Pull really fast. And I got quite a few hairs. I don't know if you guys can see that. So there's still a little bit of hair up there. It's definitely cleaner. I'm going to go in with this again. So I'm going to go on the end here. I've got my strip there on the end. 1, 2, 3. Definitely got some hair with that one. You can see that right there, all that hair. And look, already it's looking cleaner. It's looking more defined. So I went off camera and I really just like cleaned up above my brows and just got like all the little hairs in here. Like, no BS, this wax is so good for the brows. So easy to use. Like, it took all the hair off, guys. Like, you can see my texture. Look, you can see my scars. Normally you can't see that because I have those little hairs there. Like, it works. Okay, so now I'm going to go on the bottom of my brow. I just want to make sure I got my shape right. So I think, as you can see there, that's kind of the shape of my eyebrow. I suggest to go a little lower than what you actually want. Just so you don't accidentally take off anything you really want. I'm just going with the spoolie and make sure that I've kind of brushed up the hairs that I'm wanting to keep. Here, so here we go. 2, 3. Ah, that did hurt a little bit. Oh my gosh. But we did get some hairs. Okay, so this is where we are with this eyebrow. And because I've already gotten really high into the brow, I'm just going to take my tweezers and tweeze away all the excess. I'm not going to try and wax anymore. I'm just going to go in and pull out the excess hairs. This is what my eyebrows looking like so far with the little bit of tweezing and waxing that I have done. I like to go in with the razor just to get any excess hairs that I missed. You can dampen a Q-tip with a little bit of like micellar water and just go in and get that area wet. Kind of like if you were going to shave, you know, you want it to be wet. Switching up my razor real quick because my other one is just not doing the trick. It's kind of dulled out. And I don't like to use these long ones because it's hard to, you know, they're so long. Like you risk cutting off your eyelashes trying to do your eyebrows. I'm just going to clean up the top as well. This is my left eyebrow, all nice and waxed and plucked. Finishing up this brow. I am done grooming the brows. And this is what we came up with. I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty satisfied with them. We are ready to do the tint portion of this video. So again, I got sent this brow tint kit from Brow Code in the color Natural Brown. Okay, so to prep the eyebrows for the tints, you're going to want to go ahead and clean them up one more time with a little bit of micellar water once again. So they are nice and clean now. Looking good and ready to be tinted. So here's everything inside the kit. Let's just go through what is in here. We've got the brow cream activator paste at 3%. So we got the Brow Code eyebrow tint in natural brown. They put a angled brush so that you can apply the activator. And they've also put a little cup in here that you can mix the color in. A pea-size amount of the tint. And I'm going to take a pea-size cream activator, mix it into a well-mixed paste. You want to spread through the eyebrows evenly. Tinting the actual hairs is going to just make your eyebrows look more intense. For me, I really want to concentrate on my hairs. Go in with a cotton swab to make sure that everything is evenly distributed. Go in and just clean up the edge of my eyebrow. So it looks pretty good. So I'm going to go in and do the right brow. I just really want to get the hairs. I'm going to use it on its side. And just make sure everything's evenly distributed. just gonna go in and clean up this brow. This one's actually pretty good. And if you wanted to achieve an ombre look, just remove a little more in the front than in the back, which is what I'm gonna do real quick. Because I don't want my eyes to be all solid in color. I am done with putting on the tint. This is how I'm looking. I look crazy. I'm gonna leave these on for like 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and wipe it away. Okay, it's time to wipe it off. So I'm just taking the cotton round again, some more micellar water. You can also use a wipe as well. Just going to do my left brow, since that's the one that's been sitting with the most color on it for the longest. And I'm just gonna wipe away gently, always wiping from front to back. You don't want to rub through the brows because that will take off the tint completely. Now, if you feel like it didn't get dark enough, you can always do it again. Okay, so let's wipe this one away. Ooh, I like that. Don't they look good? Oh my gosh. I'm freaking obsessed. I am obsessed, guys. I love it. So I'm going to put a picture of what my eyebrows were like before. The tint will last up to 7 days on the skin and 4 weeks in the brows. After the tint has faded on your skin, you want to use the Gold Nourishing Oil just to maintain healthy growth and hydration. That's pretty much it, guys. This is a really straightforward, easy little brow kit. I absolutely love it. I am highly recommending their products. I'm sold. Was given what it was supposed to give. Thank you for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And hit the bell for post notifications so you can see me again in the future. Love y'all so much. Mwah.